this out. You can hang your suits, man.
What kind of party you can have with somebody like this? That's the part you need to drive around. I don't like those rims. Talking about, man. You know what you're talking about. It's a nice car. Oh, another.
Passenger airbags that sense the impact and explode accordingly. New for this year to help you when you're backing up is the availability of the ultrasonic rear parking assist or our rear view camera system. And of course, OnStar with its advanced collision notification system comes standard on every vehicle.
Junk motor bag. There's some people of all American cars that I just never like. Are you looking at me?
Why don't you like the cars?
Looking at me, man.
Why don't you like the American cars?
This styling's crap.
Well, divided later.
And I don't like them. I just don't like them.
Where are the posters? It just shows good taste.
They're all like, either the things are all bulky, big knobby crap.
Yeah.
Wait a sec, wait, are they really real?
They're really real.
How come I'm not seeing them?
Go ahead, zoom in.
They are real.
Very real. Very
Oh wait,
big,
see that again?
Very real.
Yeah, cool, awesome. Are yours?
Yes.
All right. Can you squeeze your own too, just like she did? That would be cool. Yeah, I got it. Well, it says they're real, so I had to ask her.
Let me see your recording. Yeah, good.
The girl's gone wild. Where's my brother? That's exactly what I was thinking. good-looking girl to stand near the car while I take a picture?
She didn't hear you.
No, I'm done now. It's over. I'm not like that, man. Either you gotta have one or have either it's over. I can't keep trying. Then you move on to the next.
Somebody's tired, eh? Somebody's tired. No, yeah, okay?
You tired? Are we gonna make it to Annie's birthday party?
I think so.
We can make the after party?
There it goes.
Say Annie happy birthday.
Annie, happy birthday. Life, liberty, health.
Puberty? Do you say puberty?
He's in the middle of a presentation. Save your questions till the end. This is hybrid?
Flexible hybrid design that provides for additional power, saving soda, allows for increased fuel economy during engine startup and idle, fuel shut-off during acceleration, and the ability to capture electrical energy through regenerative braking.
Thanks, Alex.
Pay close attention. Pay close attention.
Hey yo, DJ! Hey yo, DJ, at the count of 3, I want you to back it up. 1, 2, 3. Back it up, back it up.
Hey, you ready to roll? We on there?
Ready to roll.
Back it up, back it up.
We're here live for a German automaker TV at the Ferrari booth. Verstehen, guten Tag, dies ist auch der Ferrari. Das ist der Booth. Und wo ist die Steine auch? College.
430. This is the lineup for a free test drive on the 430 circuit, which they have out in the back. There's a lineup for a free test drive.
No, you're.
Show the lineup. The lineup. Test drive.
Welcome to Ferrari booth. Would you like to come into one of the Ferraris?
What is that down there?
Anyway.
Oh, that's an N.
It's Nancy.
Nikki, Nancy? Nikki, I was right.
Hi, Nikki. Okay, we'd like to just...
I've got a big W right here for me. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
All right.
Yeah.
We'd like to say hi to all of those who couldn't be here with us tonight, namely Mr. Harry Ziegler,
Mysterious Man.
Mr. Aaron Mysterious Man Zolden, and Mr. Jan Winstock. Get a panoramic view. Yeah, Nikki, say hi to Harry and Aaron.
Hi to Harry and Aaron.
Just for the.
Nikki, just say hi, Aaron.
You got to make the Ferrari look nicer.
Say hi,
Hi, Harry.
Aaron. Yeah.
And Warren.
Stick out your tongue and tell them what they're missing. They want to see it.
There you go.
Wait, do that again?
There you go. I'll buy that
One
for
more time.
$1. Now.
Thank you,
Thank
Nikki.
you very much.
Now get back in line for the free Ferrari test drive, which we will be waiting, and we have passes in a half an hour.
All right, Chuck, so what's this?
This is some kind of Suzuki thingy.
Sidekick extra.
7 seating capacity. If you have 4 babies.
And what if you only have 2.5 babies?
Well, then you can fit
Where do you put the half baby?
in the trunk.
Not the glove compartment?
Actually, you know what? You can't put the baby seats in the back row seating. So, basically kids between the age of
6 and 12?
3 or 4 to...
Hey, if the trucks are rocking.
Welcome to Detroit City. I said welcome to Detroit City. Every place, everywhere we go. Man, we deep everywhere we roll.
Chuck, they make the car in your favorite color.
That's what's good, and they all say tricky.
Pink interior. It's a pink interior. Yeah. On the inside.